your imagination.
All combined our ideas into one.
A fun way to do an activity with other people.
I really enjoyed the design process that we took.
The biggest thing I think was to challenge the kids to want to learn more.
The U.S. Department of Education and NASA have partnered to deliver NASA STEM content into 21st Century Community Learning Center sites. This specially designed program, now in its third phase, helps provide students and educators with access to real-world challenges that NASA scientists and engineers may face. The program engages 140 sites in 15 states, offering high-quality NASA STEM content for after-school programs at 21st Century Community Learning Center sites. A blended professional development strategy consisting of an in-person training session in each participating state and virtual support helps instructional staff implement NASA STEM content. The program's 4 STEM design challenges introduce students to the engineering design process, and the program's Global Observation to Benefit the Environment, or GLOBE investigation, helps familiarize students with the scientific research process.
The most thing I learned in the project was that you always have to put everybody else's idea into and have your own idea too as well. Because as soon as you combine everyone's idea and your idea, it actually makes something way better than what you think by yourself.
NASA offers 21st CCLC sites special opportunities over a 10-week period to engage with scientists and engineers to discuss the students' designs and available careers at NASA using a range of technology-based experiences.
They now want to become engineers. They want to become scientists. They see themselves now as scientists. They call themselves scientists and engineers now. And that's what's so exciting about this program, is that it really makes them think of themselves as somebody who would do this as a career.
Each participating state has the opportunity to host a virtual or in-person culminating event for its sites. These events allow students to showcase their final designs and highlight student and educator experiences. NASA scientists and engineers support these events by interacting with students to discuss their final products.
This is a great opportunity for students who don't have access or don't have the resources to participate in these programs. And I think what it will do, we will be able to find students that have the gift or the skill that we can now put them in a position where they can take off and broaden their horizons and expand the community's horizons.